Payhip is a free platform to sell digital downloads, courses, memberships, coaching, and physical products directly to customers. No monthly fees, only 5% transaction fee, drops to 0% on paid plans. 1. Create account and store. Sign up at payhip.com, email or Google. Set store name, currency, country. Connect PayPal and or Stripe for payouts. 2. Add your first product. Dashboard, products, plus. New product, choose type, digital download, online course, membership, physical product, or coaching. Upload files, PDFs, videos, zips, up to 5 to 20 gigabytes. Set price, 0 optional. Add variants, for example, basic versus premium, coupons, upsells, EU, UK, VT handling, auto. 3. Customize storefront, store, design, change colors, logo, banner, add pages, about, FAQ, terms, and embed videos, reviews. 4. Publish and sell, click publish. Your product is live instantly. Share your unique link, yourname.payhip.com/product name. Embed buy now buttons on your website, card, Linktree, or email. 5. Get paid customers pay. Money goes to PayPal, Stripe minus Payhip fee. Automatic delivery, download link or course access. You get paid instantly.